everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make some ice cubes and make them really interesting by adding different colours and different objects into your ice to freeze. Once we've done that, I'm going to show you how we can introduce ice and maths into our water play in the house. This activity is really simple and you don't need a big water tray to do water play. You just need a washing up bowl, some ice cube trays and maybe a bit of paint, some food colouring, and I've chosen some really pretty flowers that I picked in forest school. I've chosen rectangle shaped ice cube trays. And to encourage children's shape understanding, I would talk about the different sides of a rectangle and how many sides it has. It has 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Altogether, a rectangle has 4 sides. I've also chosen some circle ice cube trays. I'm so excited to show you all of the interesting things we could put in here. First, I'm going to place some beautiful flowers that I picked in forest school to go in my lovely circle ice cube tray. 1, 2, 3, 4 yellow flowers and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 daisies. Next, I'm going to do some coloured rectangle ice cubes, and for this all you need is paint or some food colouring, and I've chosen pink food colouring and green food colouring. Now, to make sure it's all covered with water, it's going to look a bit something like this, and my food colouring ice cubes, my rectangle ice cubes, will look something like this. I'm going to then put these in the freezer. Now this water tray is really small. I'm just using a washing up sized bowl and I've added some blue paint into the water, just a tiny bit, so that the water can be a different colour and a bit more interesting. This is a simple activity that you can do in your garden, on your balcony or in your kitchen. So I've popped out one of my circle shaped ice cubes and I'm having a look inside, and it's a great opportunity to develop language and understanding of the world by talking about how on earth are we going to get this lovely daffodil out of the ice. I'm going to place it in the water and I'm going to see whether it sinks or floats. Let's have a look. I think it's actually floating. Let's add the rest of the ice cubes. So I've got my 4 daffodil ice cubes in the water. Now I'm going to add my daisies. Have a look at that one. It looks so pretty. Let's add that one into here. 1, 2, 3. Oh look, this one's already started to melt. Can you see how it's kind of popping out? I wonder if melting is a good way to try and free those daisies. Let's pop it in the water. I wonder what will happen. Have a think about when you've got a lovely cold drink with ice in. Where does the ice go? Let's pop it into the water and see. I've decided to just add the green ice cubes, the rectangle shaped ice cubes, into my water, and I've got some really lovely looking water right now, and I decided on my walk, on my bit of exercise, to collect some really pretty flowers. I've got a bluebell and I'm going to add that into my water. I've got some daffodils, which I'm hoping these ones are going to look like soon, and I've got a bit of fern which I'm going to put in my water, and some really pretty pink flowers and some more bluebells. If you want, you can time how long it takes for the ice to melt. That would encourage language of maths, and we might want to weigh. If you've got some scales, you could weigh which ones are heavier and which ones are lighter. This one is almost melted. Can you see? It doesn't take a very long time. Maybe it's because it's sunny. I wonder if that makes a difference. This water tray was created by the children. We went for a walk through the woods and collected flowers that we felt were beautiful and we wanted to include in our water tray. We used chalk instead of paint to make the water pink. And the more we scrubbed, we realised the pinker the water became. The children then decided they wanted to make some perfume. So I collected some herb holders with the sprinkles on top and emptied them, gave them a wash, and we decided to use this as our perfume jar. The children then explored with mixing and pouring and putting lots of different flowers into the water to experiment with. I hope you enjoyed the water tray, and I'd love to see your videos or pictures of what you create in your water tray. This activity is really open-ended, so you can pretty much do whatever you like. I'm really excited to see what you come up with.